Hello friends, welcome to class 50 of my video series Math for Machine Learning. Today I will discuss two topics. The first one is reinforcement learning and the second one is quantum machine learning. A basic model for reinforcement learning. A basic reinforcement learning agent AI interacts with its environment in discrete time space. At each time t, the agent receives a current state st and the reward rt. It then chooses an action at from the set of available actions which is subsequently sent to the environment. The environment moves to a new state st plus 1 and the reward rt plus 1 associated with the transition st at st plus 1 is determined. So we are receiving reward which can be positive or negative at every state, and our goal is to maximize the reward. The goal of the reinforcement learning agent is to learn a policy pi a cross s to 0 1 where to the closed interval 0 1 where pi a is equal to probability at equal to a given st equal to s. Given the environment state is at st equal to s, what is the reward which we are getting from taking the action a, probability at equal to a. So the goal of reinforcement learning is to learn a policy pi which maximizes the expected cumulative reward. So our goal is to maximize the reward, and reinforcement learning gives a model how to maximize the cumulative reward. So that is reinforcement learning. Next I am going to class 51, quantum machine learning. Quantum machine learning is an integration of quantum algorithms with machine learning programs. The most common use of the term refers to the machine learning algorithms for the analysis of classical data executed on a quantum computer. That is quantum enhanced machine learning in a quantum computer. While machine learning algorithms are used to compute immense quantities of data, quantum machine learning utilizes qubits and the quantum operations or specialized quantum systems to improve computational speed and data storage done by algorithms in a program. Quantum computers are now coming with huge data storage capacity, and the algorithms are improved. The algorithms are faster. It uses qubit, where the classical computers uses bits and bytes, but the quantum computer uses qubits, which gives us a performance enhancement. Quantum enhanced machine learning. Above includes hybrid methods that involve both classical and quantum processing, where computationally difficult subroutines are outsourced to a quantum device. These routines can be more complex in nature and executed faster on a quantum computer. Furthermore, quantum algorithms can be used to analyze quantum state instead of classical data. So we are talking about quantum algorithms. Algorithms run in quantum machines. Algorithms are built up to run in quantum machines, and because of qubits in quantum computer, its performance is very good. Very high capacity performance. Quantum learning theory. Beyond quantum computing, the term quantum machine learning is also associated with classical machine learning methods applied to data generated from quantum experiments. That is, machine learning on quantum systems, such as learning the phase transitions of a quantum system or creating new quantum experiments. Data is in quantum computers and we are running machine learning algorithms. So that is known, that gives us quantum learning theory. Quantum machines learning also extends to a branch of research that explores methodological and structural similarities between certain physical systems and learning systems, in particular neural networks. Neural network is our ultimate machine learning model because of its capacity to work with high efficiency. All the deep learning models or large language models are built on neural networks. For example, some mathematical and numerical techniques from quantum physics are applicable to classical deep learning and vice versa. We are experimenting with statements from quantum physics using quantum machine learning. Machine learning have become a part and parcel of research. Even in pure maths, we are using AI to come up with new concepts, to come up with new ideas and new breakthroughs, along with a tedious rigor check. Usually in the math papers, the proofs are 50 pages long, and we are feed it to machine learning neural networks to check the rigor. So that work is also going on. Furthermore, researchers investigate more abstract notions of learning theory with respect to quantum information, sometimes referred to as quantum learning theory. So, we talked about reinforcement learning, then talked a bit about quantum machine learning, and in next two classes I will be talking on Aleph Zero and ChatGPT. That will end my series with mathematics for machine learning. We started with mathematical ideas, mathematical concepts. Then we talked about the machine learning models and how we are progressing with machine learning models. So today we end quantum machine learning here. Thank you.